Alright, so I'm going to show you how I make my chapatis today. People have been asking me, how do you make chapatis? How do your chapatis be tender? As in, what do you really use? And these are my ingredients. I use warm water, I use flour, all-purpose flour, some sugar, milk, salt, cooking oil, grated onion, and a lemon for flavor. So I'll begin by putting my grated onion in my mixing bowl. Alright, so these are 4 cups of flour. You make a well. I'm going to add 2 covers of cooking oil. Tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, some water, little water. Start mixing this up. So you keep alternating water and milk, water and milk. I'm going to knead this when it's fully soaked. Knead it until I get one big dough.
Okay.
Don't forget to add your lemon, it gives it a good taste. Once you see your dough is stuck together, then you can transfer it and knead it from the table. It's easier that way. Alright, so you knead your dough until it's clean and not sticking on your hands, just like this. I'm going to start pinching. Small balls, of course. Something like this, depending on how big you want your chapatis. When you're done, roll it. Make it long. Because I'm trying to make layered chapatis. That is why I'm doing this. Use some warm oil. Smear. Okay, so I finished kneading our chapatis, rolled them into small portions, covered them with some cling film for about 30 minutes just to give them time to suck in all the ingredients and then get tender. So I'm going to start rolling and frying. So this other step is so easy. You just do this again, one more time. Make sure you dust your rolling board. Some flour. And then you start spreading the chapati. So the trick in having proper chapatis that are having chapatis that have a good shape is in the way you knead it. When you're turning, you don't turn the rolling pin, you only turn the chapati itself. Unless you have a chapati maker. If you have a chapati maker, then you're assured of good shapes. But if you don't have one, so when you start frying, that's it really. So I'm going to keep frying. You before you start frying, you have to make sure you have your saucepan or whatever wherever you're going to keep your chapatis after frying them covered in foil. If you don't have foil, use a Kavera, green or black will do. It's important to roast it without oil in the beginning until it gets those small dotted lines. Just keep repeating the process. Knead it a little bit, cover with flour. Alright, so I'm done frying our chapatis and I just want to show you what they look like. They are so beautiful, they are so tender. You definitely want to try this recipe. See, this is how they're going to be in your plate. You can do this in your kitchen and you'll definitely like the taste. Is absolutely heavenly. Definitely need to try this. Thank you for watching. Let me get mine for tasting and then keep this for supper. See you next time.